Guys, today I'm here in a suite in the Sheraton in Munchen, Germany. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing that T-Mobile speed test, web, and maps for you guys. And just to prove that I'm here in Munchen, this is the video of the suite right here. We got some German letters over here. And if you look outside, there is a German building and even some German words on this Sheraton window over here. So, with that said, I'm going to go back to my phone here and we'll get started. So, this phone is roaming actually on the T-Mobile network. And if you cannot select T-Mobile, select Deutsche Telekom and you'll be able to connect right away as well. So first off, let's start off with a map. I actually want to go to Porsche in Stuttgart. So we are going to navigate over there. Alright, so the map's loading. You can see my search history on that previous screen. Let's just do Porsche Design Store in Stuttgart, Germany. Wait for that to load. And when it does, we'll get some directions to it. All right, let's get some directions to it. Get this, and there are the directions, and there's the map loading right there. If I hit start, there we go. We get the little train pop up and it's telling me exactly where to walk and go. So there you go. Maps is working very well. We will exit out of there. We will go into speed test and run a speed test on this. So finding the server. Come on, speed test. Come on, T-Mobile. Let's do it. Which, by the way, there are some T-Mobile logos everywhere. Like on the train, I could see it in the building, and then I could even see it, well, an actual T-Mobile store right in the middle of Marienplatz. Alright, so Munich, hosted by this. Testing ping. I put it in kilobytes per second so you get an idea of it. And we see we're getting started at 20, gradually dropping, and oh wait, going back up to 12. So 128 kilobits per second right there. And how about the upload? Which that right there is a very high ping, 447 milliseconds. It wasn't really that high when we were in Frankfurt yesterday. Okay, so a lot of zeros and then a burst of 15 at the end. That's kind of cheating. Let's redo it. I can see our server is in Munich. We're getting some German ads to our phone. Testing ping once again. Let's see, what if we put it next to the window? Could that help our case? Oh, it's taking a while. Okay, that is a very long ping. Going in for the download. You can see that burst at the very beginning, dropped a little bit, now back up to 12, and oh wait, wow. 19 kilobytes per second. That's probably like close to edge speeds around 200 kilobits per second. So even though the ping wasn't so fantastic, this download was actually the fastest I've seen so far. and upload. Just crapped out on that. So now what we'll do is we'll go into the UC browser, and then, as I like to show you guys, I'll load it on Gizmodo, and we'll see how fast it loads. All right, there's the Gizmodo. There's the images coming in. Pretty cool. Now, how about we load just Facebook? Yeah, you gotta be patient with this T-Mobile. And there you go. Facebook loads, maps load, speedtest.net, you got an idea of it. And I was even able to play a little YouTube video, one of my own. It took some time to buffer in between. It would play like 5 seconds of video and then like 10 seconds of buffering, so it's painful to watch, but 120 kilobits per second, it's good enough for maps and seeing things you need to. Just make sure that you have a battery pack, because it really sucks the life out of your battery. After a day of using it, you could see it drop to 50%, so definitely bring a power bank with you. But that's pretty much it, guys. T-Mobile roaming in Munich, Germany. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.